I have a question for you guys. Do you actually use this thing? This is a SanDisk SD card. It's a high endurance one. Now this is ideal for dash cams or things that run for a long time. It's basically high endurance. Now this does support 4K UHD and all that type of stuff. This is class 3, 100 megabyte per second in reading speed, 40 in writing speed. I mean, pretty good spec for a dash cam SD card. Now this is my third one, and every single time when I go to my local Ford dealership, they would basically just pop this thing open, and obviously it's recording right when the car is on or detects a motion. Now the thing is, I actually didn't know it's illegal to go to my local Ford dealership with a dash cam running in the car. So I guess they don't feel comfortable being recorded or something, and they basically unplugged my SD card. So they did it twice, and both of the times when I walked out, it's good for a few minutes, and then it just like starts crapping out, and it stops recording, and then it shows me error, and then I reformat it, and every single time I reformat it, it basically like it does its own thing. Like sometimes it does take a few recording and then it doesn't. So it records like, let's say 3 minutes, and then it like for 6 minutes or 9 minutes it doesn't. And then there's basically a lot of corrupt files that gets created, and every single time I needed the dash cam, I actually didn't have the footage. For example, somebody did a hit and run on my brand new 2022 RAV4. I have videos of before the incident, after the incident, but not during the incident. I had a terrible Uber customer after that. Again, I had no footage. And the same day, there was a guy who was trying to do an insurance scam, who ran right in front of my car. He's just like on his wheelchair in the middle of the street, and he just like propelled himself like really fast just to like end up in front of my car. I had to do a hard brake. Obviously I didn't hit him, but again, that video wasn't there. Now this is obviously the reason why we have dash cam, is to protect ourselves from these situations. But well, I don't really know who to blame. Obviously you're not supposed to be unplugging something while it's running, right? That's common sense. And I got a free tire rotation from Ford because of that. But again, this is something that I luckily I don't even have a Ford car anymore, so I don't even have to go back there ever again, hopefully. So hopefully this is going to be my last time purchasing this SD card here. So they do give you a the reader. This is like the this is the adapter for the SD card. If you have a micro SD card, you can use this adapter. This is what the SD card look like. It's white. It just says high endurance on it. I'll definitely keep you guys in the loop of how this thing goes. But guys, do let me know if you actually use this thing, and does anything happen. And unfortunately, I don't even want to get another type of card, because I don't even know which one is going to be good. This was recommended on Amazon when I was buying the dash cam, but this is the issue with it. Honestly, definitely I would kind of blame my local Ford dealership for this issue. But whatever it is, I did definitely lose some valuable moments of something really bad that I probably would have needed if even if that person didn't run away and I didn't have any witnesses at the time. So that could have been really, really bad. But either way, I'll keep you guys posted in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys next time. Peace.